Hello everyone. Today we are going to read The Language of the Birds.
Characters: bird, Iwan, father, king, sailor, servant.
Words to know, language, hill, fool, хуурах, тэнэгдэх, lost, алдах, save, аврах, storm, шуурга.
One day a young boy, Iwan, saves some birds from a fox. The birds are happy with Iwan.
You are good to us. How can we help you? Asks the birds. Teach me the language of the birds, please, asks Ivan. The birds teach him their language.
The birds say you will be a prince. One day your father will ask to be your servant. Iwan tells his rich father about this. No one can understand birds, and I'll never be your servant, his father says.
He says to Ivan, you are a bad son. Get out of this house and never come home. Ivan leaves the house and goes by boat to the town. He tells the sailor, the birds tells me the storm is coming. The sailor says, no one can understand. You are a fool.
But the storm comes and the boat is lost. Iwan and the sailor swim away. Iwan sees the king in his castle. The king does not like the birds always sitting on his window. Iwan says, I can talk to them. I can speak their language. Everybody laughs at Iwan. Iwan talks to the birds and they fly away. The king is very happy. You can be my son, he says. Iwan is now a prince. 2 years later, Iwan's father becomes poor. He comes to the town to find his son. No, you are my father. You will live with me here in the castle. Iwan says Iwan's father is very happy. The birds know many things. Thanks for listening us.